You guys good?
We're good, bro.
How does it feel to be back?
It feels amazing, bro. It's so surreal, man. Like, right? I'm nervous all the time. What do you mean people can recognize me now? That's so crazy. Like, it's a lot of
Yesterday was the craziest experience walking out, and we had girls like, sorry, can I come take a picture? What up, guys? It's your boy, Swiss. Thank you so much for backing me through my journey. It's been a remarkable journey. I owe everything to you guys. But it's not all, man. You're still going to catch me out in the clubs. I'm still going to be hosting. Still going to be presenting. I'm still going to be trying to act again. But hey, really appreciate the love, man. I genuinely, no words can express how grateful I am for the support and the love that you guys have shown me over this couple of months. It's been a truly life-changing experience. Appreciate you, love you guys. Bandana gang.
Hi beautiful people, my name is Beekay. I may be out of the house, but I'm not done with working on myself. I'm not done working on why I went into the house. I'm still trying to impact the world, influence whoever that needs to be influenced. Still working on that gentleman's club. We have to work on ourselves, gents. And yeah, just be K.